Welcome. In this video, we will guide you on how to read and understand a Material Safety Data Sheet, or MSDS. An MSDS is a crucial document that provides detailed information about chemicals, including potential hazards and necessary safety measures. How to read a Material Safety Data Sheet, MSDS.
Welcome to our quick guide on understanding the 16 sections of an MSDS. This is essential for safety in any chemical environment. Section 1 contains information about the product name, company name, address, and contact phone number. Section 2 provides hazard symbols and descriptions of potential risks such as fire, explosion, or health effects. Section 3 lists the hazardous ingredients in the product and their classifications according to health and safety hazards. Section 4 outlines the first aid measures to be taken in case of exposure to the chemical. Symptoms effects lists potential symptoms and effects of exposure to the chemical. Section 5 provides information on suitable firefighting measures, including types of extinguishing media to use. Section 6 explains emergency procedures to be taken in the event of a chemical spill or leak. Section 7 contains guidelines for the safe handling and storage of chemicals. Storage requirements details how to store the chemical properly, including recommended temperature conditions and precautions against incompatible substances. Section 8 provides information on exposure limits and the types of personal protective equipment that should be used. Section 9 lists the physical and chemical properties of the substance, such as boiling point, pH, and solubility. Section 10 provides details on the chemical's stability and reactivity, including incompatible materials and hazardous decomposition products. Section 11 describes the toxicological effects of the chemical, including acute and chronic health effects. Section 12 provides information on the chemical's environmental impact, including its potential to bioaccumulate and its degradability. Section 13 outlines the recommended disposal methods for the chemical and any relevant regulatory considerations. Section 14 contains information on the transportation classification of the chemical, including UN numbers and packing groups. Section 15 lists the regulatory information for the chemical, such as relevant safety, health, and environmental regulations. Section 16 provides any other pertinent information, including the date of preparation or last revision of the MSDS.
By understanding each section of an MSDS, we can work more safely and responsibly. Thank you for watching.